having a wonderful day, and today we are having a video about slime. And if you're wondering what makeup, that's glitter makeup is, I'll let you see in the description below. There's a website link, and yeah, let's get started. So today we are going to be doing a slime ASMR, which I did while I was off camera.
Yes, me making slime off camera.
Because I couldn't keep doing it on camera. So yeah, let's get started. So this is a slime I made. It's supposed to be crunchy, and it's two noise putties stick together. So it's fun to play around with. So one of them was a bit hard, and one of them was a bit smoother, and one of them was a crunchy slime. That's why there's speeds falling out of it. Sorry. And so yeah, this is it. And so it's easy to play around with, and it's really fun to look at. And so here it is. It looks awesome, doesn't it? And it's really fun to play around with, as you can see. And today it's a bit hard to stretch, but it's still good. It sounds really nice. So yeah, and it's really good to play around with. And here's the thing, it makes sounds. So let's get to it. I'm just gonna go get one of the ones. This one would work best for the whole thing. So I'll rip off a bit. Hopefully there's no crunchies in this one. 1 second. Oh god, there is one. 1 second. Just try and take this out. Pop this in. It makes fire noises. So here it is. Now this is for the pink one I mixed in. And there's another country in it. That's why it's not working properly. Sorry. And I can get a really good sound with this if I put this on top of here, and then so yeah. And today I'll be just taking a video and showing you how it works and doing this, poking around with it. And so yeah. So here's a pie up close. So here's a bit of it. And as you see, I've mixed up a really hard green slime with a really nice pink slime, and it turned out to be a really good consistency together. Really nice to stretch around with. So yeah, this is awesome. So yeah. So and I got these both from Peacocks in Edinburgh. And so one of them was in this container, and one of them was in this one right here, which is a bit absurd. Yeah, and now let's test out how it. Now let's go over the basics. So this slime has been made to make funny noises and nice stress relief. So as you can see here, it's made a bit of a weird colour as we played around with it and stuff. And there's a lot of green in it, more than the pink, because the pink's kind of disappeared. But it's actually made quite a good one, and if you press it really hard, it makes really nice sounds. So put the beads in it, like here. Here's how I keep it in. So what you do is you pick up a few beads, whatever you've got in your house. And so whatever you've got in the house will work for a slime. Buy these two slimes. I don't recommend anything else, but if you want. And then you fold them in like that. You can still see one over there. And they are really, really crunchy. So yeah, the basics of that is done. And so how did I make this, you ask? I was thinking about the slime smoothie challenge, and I just got them the same day, so I was kinda yeah, wondering if I should do it because I lost my other slime. So I bought these two, and and we went on a slime hunt after we went to a game store. Yeah, and yeah, and so why I wanted to do this was because I thought it'd make a really good consistency and really good sounds. Now, do you want to test out that sounds with the other pot? 1 second. Now, I'll break off a tinier bit than that because this one doesn't hold as much as I hoped it was gonna hold. So, yeah. I have it in a plastic tub and need a bit more. 1 second. Sorry, everything's falling. So here's a few of the noises. I hope I'm not going to disturb my hamster that is in here. Now, if you do this, it makes an even more sound. So that's very rude. And so now with the pig face one, what you're meant to do with it is, here's a container if you want to look for it in Edinburgh, if they're in here. Now I do recommend mixing these slimes together if they're still in stock at the shop I told you to get them in. So yeah, and so here's the egg. Oh my god, the camera's looking at me. Right. Say hi to everyone, Mum.
Hi.
So yeah, she's a bit embarrassed to be around me right now with what I'm doing. And a thumbs up for this backdrop because you'll get 7 years good luck. No jokes. Subscribe for 100 years good luck. So I think that's going to be all for this video. So yeah, I can't really come up with anything to say. So bye.